everyone, it's time for math again. Remember the last time we met together and we worked with numbers? We were looking at two counting tools. The first one, anyone remember what it was called? Give me five. 5 frame. The second one, don't give me 5, but give me 10, the 10 frame. I want you to take a look at your 5 frame on the board and tell me, is this 5 frame full? Does it have any counters? No, it does not. It is empty. So we know that the 5 frame on top here has 0 counters. Now I know you know about the numeral 0. For example, I'm going to ask, how many monkeys are sitting on my head? 0. Very good. That's the answer. 0 means nothing, none. So right now, our top frame, our 5 frame, has 0 counters. Let's change that. I'm going to add 1. And now I'm going to ask the question again. Is the 5 frame empty? No, it is not, because it has 1 counter. If I add another 1, it will have 2 counters. 2 plus 1 more makes 3 counters. 3 plus 1 more. Come on, Ajay, Olivia. I want to hear you. 4. And is my 5 frame full? No, it is not. How many more do I need to fill it? How many empty boxes do you have? 1 left, so I need 4. 4 plus 1 more will give me 5. So let's add that in. Is the 5 frame full? Yes, it is. Yes, it is. And I taught you a trick. I told you that when the 5 frame was completely full, no empty boxes, then you did not even have to count the counters. You would know right away that there are 5. Good. Now, our 5 frame is full. Everyone, how many are in the 5 frame? 5. No need to count. Let's look at our 10 frame. Is the 10 frame empty? Yes, it is. Right now, it has 0 counters, but I'm going to put 1 in. So we have 1, and now we're going to add another 1. That makes 2. 2 plus 1 more, 3. 3 plus 1 more, 4. 4 plus 1 more, that would make 5. That looks just like our 5 frame, doesn't it? But this is not a 5 frame, it's a 10 frame. You can see that there are many more empty boxes. So we can look at the top row, it's full, and say 5. 5 plus 1 more, that would make 6. 6 plus 1 more, 7. 7 plus 1 more, 8. 8 plus 1 more, 9. And again, 9. I need how many more? I see 1 empty box. 1 more. 9 plus 1 more equals 10. So we have our 5 frame and our 10 frame. So that was a very good review of our last math class together. But today we have a new job. We need to learn how to correctly sequence numerals 1 through 10. So this week we're going to work with actually 0 through 5, and next week 6 through 10. All right, now I know you're very good counters, but I'm going to put some numerals on the board, and I'm going to skip a couple, and let's see if you know which ones are missing. All right, there's 0. and I'm going to give you 1. But now I'm going to give you a dash, a blank. I didn't put in the next one. I hope you're thinking about it. Now I'm going to put in the next numeral that would follow that one. And I'm going to give a dash, a blank. And I'm going to end with 5. Take a look. Do you know which numerals are missing? Do you know what we need to put in? Think about it. I think you might. 0, 1. What would come next? Which one would come next? Who can tell me? Would it be 4 or 2? Which one? Let's go back and count. 0, 1. If you're thinking 2, you are correct. 0, 1, 2. Excellent. 0, 1, 2, 3, 5. Something's missing. Do you know which one is missing? Let's go back. 0, 1, 2, 3. There's a space, and then 5. What number comes between 3 and 5? Does anyone know? What number comes between 3 and 5? It comes after 3 and it's before 5. Anyone know? Let's go back. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, Mrs. E gave it to you. Uh-oh. I helped you out. I gave it to you. It's number 4. Very good. Oh, Mrs. Z, I helped you out. You're welcome. You're welcome. Now, let's look. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good job. Now I'm going to ask you to close your eyes because I'm going to take other numerals out. I'm going to take other numerals out. All right. I'm going to make this very tricky. And I'm going to put a line everywhere. There should be a number. Open your eyes. I hope you weren't peeking. All right, we have 0. What's missing? What comes after 0? Before 2. It's in between 0 and 2. 0. I heard you. I heard you, everyone. You said 1. Excellent. Numeral 1. 0, 1, 2. What comes after 2? We could say before 4, or we could say in between 2 and 4. 0, 1, 2. I heard it. 3. Very good. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. And what is the last numeral? 5. Excellent. Very good. You were like little detectives. You knew which numbers or numerals were missing. Good for you. So everyone agrees that when we count, it's in this order. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Very good, my friends. Very good. That is correct. That is correct. Now, I'm going to put some 10 frames on the board, and this is going to be a little more tricky because I don't have them in order. I do not have them in correct order, but I'm going to put them up for you. I have one. I hope it will stick. Maybe not, but I have some extra tape if we have a problem with this. Okay, here comes another 10 frame. And here comes another. And another. And another. Now I'm thinking I don't like the way my 10 frames are lining up. I'd rather have a long line. So I'm going to change my board, and I'm going to put it up here, and I'm going to realign them. Let me put them back up here. Again, my 10 frames are not in order. They are not in order. Your job will be to help me to put them in order. If I can just get them up on the board. All right, everyone, give me a minute. Let's change these and put them over here. And that's a little bit better. I prefer that. Okay, now we have 1 10 frame, 2 10 frames, 3 10 frames, 4, 5, and 6. And under each 10 frame, I'm going to make sure you can see all these. Whoops, I knocked over the pad, the video camera, so there we go. You can see them now. Okay, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 10 frames. Now I'm going to put a letter under each one. And maybe that's how you can tell your mom at home which 10 frame comes next. For the first one, I'm going to give it letter A. How about I do upper and lowercase as a little review? Uppercase A, lowercase a. We'll call the second 10 frame uppercase B, lowercase b. The third 10 frame will be uppercase C, lowercase c. The fourth will be uppercase D, lowercase d. The fifth we'll call uppercase E and lowercase e. And the sixth will be uppercase F, lowercase f. Okay, we have 6 10 frames on the board, but they're not in order. This 10 frame, let's see, how many does it have? This 10 frame has 1, 2, 3. Yeah. And this one has 1, 2, 3, 4. This 10 frame, does it have anything? Nope, it has 0. How about this one? Oh, we don't even have to count this one because 10 frame D has the whole top row full. We know that one has 5. And this one has 2. And the last one has 1. It's a good thing I have such long arms. Now, let's go back and let's count. 3, 4, 0, 5, 2, 1. Is that how we count? No, it is not. If we were going to put these 10 frames in order by amount, by quantity, we would have to start with what? What is the smallest number that we have here? Well, I'm going to have to go with this one. This 10 frame is empty, so we're going to put 0 first. Let's move that here. Okay, and I am going to write the numeral 0 underneath. 0. And if we were counting, who could tell me which 10 frame would come next? 0, what number would come next? It's certainly not 4. 0, 1. Does anyone see a 10 frame with just 1? Is it A, B, D, E, or F? Which 10 frame only has 1? If you're saying F, then you are correct. F has only 1 counter. So let me stand up, pick it up, and bring it over here. Very good. So now we have 0, 1. What would come next when we're counting? 0, 1, 2. Does anyone see a 10 frame with 2 counters in it? It's not this one. 1, 2, 3. It's certainly not this one, B. It has 1, 2, 3, 4. This one we know has 5. I don't even have to count. Yes. 10 frame E has 2. 1, 2. Let's peel that off. And let's put it on there. And let's see if this is starting to make some sense. We have 0, 1, 2. Very good. Lining up these 10 frames is not an easy job. 0, 1, 2. What comes next? 0, 1, 2. Yes, 3. Does anyone see a 10 frame with 3? Would you say it's the first, second, or third one? If you're saying it's 10 frame A or the first frame, you are right. Let's take this one down and let's put it over here. Very good. And now we have 3. 0, 1, 2, 3. We are almost finished. We are almost finished. There are only 10 frames left. We're looking for numerals 4 and 5. 0, count with me, 1, 2, 3. Where's the next 10 frame that needs to go? In our sequence, well, 1, 0, 1, 2, 3. If you're saying 4, you're correct. Which 10 frame shows 4 counters? Is it 10 frame B or 10 frame D? If you are saying B, you are correct. If you are saying D, you are not correct. Let's move 10 frame B to our line, our sequence. Are you ready? It has 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's put the 4 in. Very good. Now, we have 0 with no counters. We have 1 with 1 counter. We have 1, 2 with 2 counters. We have 1, 2, 3 with 3 counters. We have 4 with 1, 2, 3, 4 counters. And there's 1 10 frame left. Which one will be the last one? Can you tell? Can you see it? Let's see. Which one will be the last one? You're right. It's D. It's D. D has how many? The whole top row is full. We know there are 5. Let's put it in. 5. Good job, everyone. Let's erase this. And let's put our numeral under the last one. Okay, which is 5. And I think you did it. Voila! You started with 0. You knew the next group had 1, 2, 3, 4, and the last group right over here, the last group has 5. You put the 10 frames in correct sequential order. One more time, let's take a look at it. You have 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5. Good job. Now today, I'd like you to make some sets. You can make a set with 0, a set with 1 item, a set with 2 items, a set with 3 items, a set with 4, and a set with 5. And you can put them in the correct sequential order, just like we did here today. Or you can draw a set or a group, same word, and you can put or draw the same amounts, okay? So you can draw something with 0. That means you don't have to do a darn thing. That's an easy one. You can draw a set or a group with just one item, a set with the group with just 2 items, a set or a group with 3, a set or a group, we use both words, with 4, and a set or a group with 5. Alrighty, put them in order. Put them in order, because when we count, numbers are always in order. Next time, we're going to put together sets 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10, and we're going to put them in order as well. But for today, just work up to sets with 5 items. Okay? Now, I'm going to say goodbye. Good luck, have fun, and I can't wait to see your pictures and your drawings. Also, I sent you your worksheets in your packet, so be sure to work on them. And don't forget, save all your work. Put them back into the packets. Thank you, boys and girls. Have a good day. I hope you had fun. I know I did. It was good seeing you. Bye.